So we're going to go over just the 5 factors right quick of your personal score, right? Your 5 factors of your personal score. The first one is your payment history. I can't stress this enough. The most important thing you can do is put your bills on autopay. Put all of your stuff on autopay because sometimes we forget. We forget to pay bills. But once you put it on autopay, you pay the minimum. So you got 5 accounts. 4 of those accounts you want it on autopay, paying the minimum. The 5th one, whichever one you decide, we go over that later. Whatever one you decide to pay first, you pay that all first, right? Now you got 4 left. 3 of them gonna go on autopay. Then that 4th one, you're gonna pay it off. Just pay it off. Comment, credit, and I'll send you the free resources.